Hey, it's Blon here with the Vortex Healing Centre. I want to welcome you all to our global healing meditation. We meet the first Sunday of every month at 9 a.m. Hobart time. That's the same as Sydney or Melbourne if you're calling in from somewhere else around the planet. And I wanted to just let you know that all of those crazy feelings that you're feeling of being upset for no reason, or feeling like we're in the middle of chaos and the world falling apart, you're not alone, because the world is falling apart as we move into a completely new age, and it has to fall apart. That breaking up of the traditional, whether you call it the paternalistic system or whether you're calling it old financial systems or whether you're calling it the downfall of traditional economies, it is happening so that the rebirth of all that we are and all that we can be can happen. It doesn't happen, the new cannot happen without the old falling away. And as we all ascend and reach our highest level of vibration, the old is disappearing, and you can't keep fighting for the same old things and expecting the new stuff to come without the old going away. So that disruption is the period that we are still in. And there are massive energies that continue to flow in, asking us to stay calm through the chaos. And that right there is the challenge. So I would invite all of you to simply take notice of where you are in time and space at this very moment. And whatever it feels like to you, I would invite you to find the calm within. I would invite you to find the gratitude within for the journey that you have come through many eons of time and space. Gratitude for all of those around you who've supported you, both by their positive actions and by the inverse of their own negative reactions that have propelled you to new heights. We don't always realize what effect someone or something is happening on us. Sometimes what might appear to be a negative is actually a positive. There's an old Buddhist saying that I'm going to try to say correctly. I've heard it 1,000 different ways. And it starts off with a farmer who comes up and his horse has run away, and his neighbors come up and say, "Oh, that's terrible, that's bad." And he says, "No, it's not." He says, I don't know. I don't know if it's good or bad. It just is. The next day, his son, then the horse comes back the next day, and his neighbors come back and say, "Oh, that's great, that's awesome." And he says, I'm not sure. It's not good or bad. I don't know what it is. The following day, his son is riding on the horse, falls off, and breaks his leg. Neighbors are back again saying, "That's terrible. He broke his leg." And his father says, I don't know. I don't know if it's good or bad. A week later, the son is still recovering from his broken leg, and the army comes through to conscript every young man, and his son is exempted since he has a broken leg. And the neighbors come over and say, "That's great that he had the broken leg. Now he's not in the army." And his father says, "We'll see." Long story short is we have no idea what effect an action has far off in the universe. We can see all of these things happening all around us. And the key is not getting caught up in all of those things that are happening, that seem to be happening to us or are happening far away from us. And allowing that non-judgment of what is and simply observing, we'll wait and see what happens next. So with that, I would invite you all to take a few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths, connecting deep into the center of the earth and deep into the center of the universe, bringing the bright rainbow light into the higher heart. A few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths. I invite you to bring your awareness now to the area just above your crown chakra. And now reach up, extend up from your body, up through your crown chakra, up into the heavens, up into the celestial bodies, past the earth, past the moon, and out into the center of space. Continue your journey until you find the place that feels just right for you at this very moment. For you each have guidance available to you from so many sources at all times. Your guidance is calling you now to connect with them from the center of the universe to your highest self with knowledge that will be useful to you in the coming days. I'm going to leave you for a moment, and I will call for you shortly.
Generate by AI. Generate by AI. Generate by AI. Generate by AI.
I invite you now to bring your awareness back to your body. Awareness of your breath. Awareness of the light. Awareness of right here, right now. Totally and completely returning back to right here, right now. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. So thank you all for joining us online, and we will catch you next month, the first Sunday of every month. Be sure to like and leave a comment for us on how this went for you. Love you.